लोकांक फटवून तांच्या नांवार रीण मेळिल्ल्या खातीर वास्को पुलिशेन सनील देसाय नांवाच्या दुबाविताक अटक केली. पुलीस फाटलें वर्सभर सनील देसाय हांच्या सोदार आशिल्ले. आतां मेरेन वास्को पुलिशेंत अश्यो 2 केशी नोंद जाल्यात म्हूण म्हायती PI कपिल नायक हांणी दिल्या. RDXGOA खातीर वास्कोच्यान प्रसाद नायक.
In the month of February 2021, one crime was registered at Vasco police station, in which complainant, that is branch manager of Citizen Cooperative Bank Limited, had given the complaint against one Sanil Dessai and one more person, Uday Dessai, that they have produced the forged agreement for sale of 2 flats and obtained loan of rupees 29,48,000. So when they came to know that those agreement for sale documents are forged, they lodged the complaint at this police station, and we had registered the crime again under section 120B, that is criminal conspiracy, 465, 468, 471, 420, read with 34 IPC. So for last 1 year we were in search of these accused, and he was evading his arrest. So one day before yesterday we got a information that the said accused is moving near South District Hospital, Margao. So accordingly, I contacted my reliable sources and told him to keep watch on the accused. And accordingly, I sent my team from Vasco, and we detained the said accused at Margao and brought him here and placed him under arrest in this crime. So in this connection, we had taken 4 days remand of the accused. So side by side we have registered one more crime yesterday against the same accused, wherein the accused person took the signature of the complainant as a guarantor for his personal loan, and side by side obtained loan for his for accused number 2 by taking his sign and cheated the complainant. So in this remand he had cheated the complainant for rupees 25 lakhs. म्हणजे ताणें आपल्याक ताजे कडेन वळख केली कंप्लेनंटा कडेन, अभिषेक राय म्हणटा कंप्लेनंट, आनी ताका आपल्याक पर्सनल लोन काडपाक जाय म्हणून ताका आपल्याक गॅरंटर राव म्हणलो आनी ताची सायन घेतली. सो ही ट्रस्टेड हिम एंड ही ब्लायंडली सायन ऑन दॅट फॉर्म, बट ही टूक द सायन ऑन अनदर पर्सन्स लोन अमाउंट which was loan for 2 flats and taken a guarantor as a sign of this Abhishek Rai. So he was not knowing that he had signed for that Sanil Dessai, but he had taken sign for other person and took the loan of 25 lakh, read with 34 IPC. So accordingly, after this remand is completed in one crime, we will take in the other crime and we will conduct a further investigation. Side by side, many complaints are coming against this Sanil Dessai for cheating, for this type of frauds. So we will verify those complaints, and on priority basis we will take action as per law in those complaints. So I want to advise all the public and people, so while dealing with such type of person, they should be careful and they should not give any documents to any other person. So this type of persons are misusing the said documents and doing this type of frauds. So in this connection, in these 2 crimes, our further investigation is in progress.